Okay, Stick, in this scene we need you to work on the helicopter. This thing is really small, guys. Stick, we need you to work on the helicopter. Well, look how small this thing is. It's really tiny. Stick, we know. That helicopter belongs to little green men. Little green men are going to have a little green helicopter. And they're invading the planet. They need it repaired so they can overthrow our big cities. Hey everybody, check this out. This thing has a 7-stage compressor on the jet engine, and it's got variable pitch. Wow, this thing is really technologically advanced. How come the bad guys always get all the good stuff? Let's try to sell some of this stuff on eBay.